Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, 2022 June, okay, and we did 13, question number 8. How to get equation of tangent? He said at A, you can see at A. So I just show you, I take a scale, I make it a line joining here. You can see clearly this line cutting at here is called equation of tangent. So very clear approach, and this is a tangent, and this is our task. How to get it? Equation of tangents. Have a look here. So first of all, what is a plan of action? I will find derivative. Let's see how we can find differentiation. Because for your knowledge, let me tell you one thing. Whenever we're looking for equation of tangent, so formula is what? I'm writing it here, equation of tangent technique. Formula is what? Y minus y1 equals to m times 2x minus x1. Okay, y1 is very clear 5 and x1 is very clear 1, no doubt about it. But issue is where? Issue only one left. What is a gradient? Gradient we don't know. So gradient will come from where? For your knowledge, as you know, the dy over dx, I mean derivative and a gradient are perfectly same. So it means I will find differentiation. Half comes down, power become 1 less, so minus half. And how to differentiate this one? Plus 4 already present, power comes down, I mean negative half, and from power 1 less, so minus 3/2. If I simplify further, this negative half, this goes in denominator, become positive half, or half is called root. This 2 for cancel, I got 2, and this power negative I bring in denominator. For your knowledge, let me tell you one thing, extra knowledge. 3/2, you can write x to power 3/2, you can write x to power 1 and to x to power half. And you can say x root x, this is also written. So if you write x root 3/2, or you write here x root x, both are 100% same. So this extra knowledge for you, this I just wrote here. Okay, so 3/2 is root x, x root x. So same, no problem at all. But what point I'm looking for? XA. So at A, I'm writing here. At A. X is equal to 1. So I'm going to plug in 1. So gradient of tangent turned to be, when I plug in 1, I get half. When I plug in 1 here, I get 2/1. And it's coming 2 2s are 4. So minus 3/2. So gradient come what? Minus 3/2. Well, let me check again. Yes, minus 3/2. And this gradient I'm going to plug in where? Here. 2 multiply left hand side, always make it easy. 2y minus 10 and minus 3 multiply inside. And ultimate final answer 2y equal to minus 3x, and this 10 goes there, add, and plus 13. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. We got final answer, right? So let's talk about what the next part in next page, shaded area. How to find shaded area? I define it. So what is the plan of action? If I oftenly give a small example to understand, a line parallel to x, this is what equation of x-axis? Y0. If line go through 2, is called y equals to 2. And if go through 5, y is equal to 5, it's parallel to x-axis. So this is a line, you can see, this goes through 5 and parallel to x-axis. So this line, if someone asks me, what is equation of this line? So I can say simply, this line equation is y equals to 5. And now I can do easily. What is the plan of action? Here, a point of intersection is x value is 1. So lower limit is 1. And here, point of intersection is very, very clear. X is equal to 16. And what is the plan of action? Because, above shaded area, what the shape we have? The line is above and below is a curve. And the rule, line integration minus curve integration. For your knowledge, if I integrate line, I'll get a full area. And when I integrate curve, I'll get this white area. From full area, if you subtract the white area, I will get the shaded area. So let's start. The plan is so simple. So so shaded area. So line is what? Y equal to 5. You know it very well. I integrate 5. And curve area, curve integration, curve is this one, you know it very well. X to power half and plus 4, x to power negative half. And limit is very clear, you know it, 1 to 16. So let's start 1 to 16. And now matter of just solving, and you know very well, 5 integration become 5x, limit 1 to 16. And what is integration of this? Increase the power by 1, got a 3 by 2. And writing here 3 by 2. And what is this one? Increase by 1, we got a half and down half as well, and 1 to 16. Please don't plug in the values this level. Simplify as maximum as possible. How come? You know it very well. If fraction come in denominator, it flips. So it turns to be 2 by 3, x to power 3 by 2. And this 4 2s are 8, and I can write half as a root. And I'm going to plug in the values. So when I plug in 16 first here, so it means 16 times to 5 and minus 16 times to 1. It is giving me directly 64. Answer come from here. Wait, let me check 1 minute, please. No. Sorry. This is a 1 actually. This is a 5. Let me check again. When I plug in 16 in the place of 5, and then I plug in 1 in the place of 5. So it gets 16 to 5 minus 5, 75 comes from here. Let's apply here. 16, I plug in all values. Let's see what happens. 2 divided by 3 into 16 to power 3 by 2. And then plus 8 root 16. So it is giving me sharp 224 by 3. Now I'm going to plug in 1 in the place of every x. So 2 by 3 and plus 8. It is giving me 26 by 3. And finally, what I get the answer, I'm going to write now. 75 minus 224 divided by 3 minus 26 divided by 3. And final answer is coming 9 unit square. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, the concept is completely clear.